Once again, Zella City. Body doubles are for work purpose only people using your double to finish making love to a jet blue straight artist because you. Then I'm in school. I'm in school. We're too drunk is deafened. No. Class, did you blab? Why did you tell people? Come on, you stupid little angel. So, how did you know, you little? Thank you. You need to be a. Oh my god. Come on, Venom Kong. It was my first floppy seconds. Oh, Venomzilla and Venom Kong. Oh, what is going on here, Mom? Why do we look so hot? Hot. No! Okay. I'm not so hot. Smurf Cat and Banana Cat broke up. So, they breaks up with Banana Cat at least every 1 week. You don't understand. This time Smurf Cat broke up with him. Oh my. What's going on? Are you okay, Venomzilla? My God. What's wrong? They're walking with him. They're walking with him. No. Yes, he is. And they woke up. Them all fucking damn. Do you want to fucking understand, you little? Oh my god. Oh my god, you're back. So, where's Helly? She, her. Oh. Did he, her? No! That's why it can't. I don't know! Wait, I'm not changing the voice. Oh my god! This is bad. This bad. What are we gonna do? I just want to see her. Alright, guys. Did Smurf Cat? Her? Let's go, you mother. Get in the car! 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 Get in the car, please! Get in the car! Phew! Get in the car! Put your seatbelt on, guys! I can't. Seatbelt. Belt. Seatbelt. Why do we have this? What seatbelts? No, quickly. It will have it to dry. Let's go. Oh my god, this is hilarious. What are you doing? Stop! Annoying seatbelt camera. Okay. Okay, let's go. Click. Seatbelt. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Let's go! Okay, now we get to go. Ready, get to go. I can't play for a week with her. Oh my god, did he tell you something? Yes, I made it for me. That was the okay. That was Me? Dad? Yes? Did Smurf get her? Did she what? Well, did he? Her? Well, as a matter of fact, and don't you dare ever come back. Guys, we're at the supermarket. Please, don't go. Oh God, please, please, how to start it? Please, 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 please. Nope. Please, I worked it on. Where is he? He's over there. He's over there. Oh my God! What happened? Oh my God! Did he? I'm good, see ya. Oh my God! Oh, why is the fucking? I love swearing. Please, I love you, Daddy. You're my dad. You're not my dad. Why? Oh, shh. Please. Oh my God. He said a monkey. He said a monkey. Shut up, you fat. Oh my God. Did you just see a pattern your Jew? As a matter of fact. Now let's go. Oh my God. 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 Please, 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 please. Close the door. Oh my God, we're saved. Speed. Okay, let's drive and go home. Okay, start the car. Let's go home. Oh my God. Hey, Smurf and Banana Cat, I'm gonna take you home. I'm gonna call you Daddy. Oh my God, this is a iPhone. Oh yeah. What a beautiful day. Oh, it's calling. Hello. Yes. Uh. I can't. He's got an offer. Hello, Mr. Gray. Well, as a matter of fact, what happened to did? What did they do? Because it's breaking. Is it break with? No. Oh, there he is. What'd you say, you Darius? You stupid. Yes. Zagila. Okay, guys. Zagila speaking. Oh, I'm in the car. Raz, he with him. Oh my God, Curvy's so. No, the Smurf cat is so much trouble. We'll get find home. Okay. I'll get back. We can get home. Need a rest.